Thank you so much. Now that we are done with the hub icon, we move to the second line icon. In the second line icon, there is a first icon that look like greater than, and the thing have arrow on it. That arrow symbolize undo. It symbolize undo, and the funniest thing about this app is that once you undo, you cannot redo. So you have to be careful. If I press undo now, this image will go. Look at it. You can see. If I press undo now, this one that is there now will still go. You can see. If I press undo, undo will be bringing it back to what you have done before. You see, undo. If you click another undo, it will remove this one. Now the next one is that thing that look like a pencil. If you press it, you see different thing. You see a pencil. That pencil means edit, like you want to write something. If you click on it, it will show a blank page. You type what you want to see there. Maybe thank you so much. You can see. You press OK and use your hand to drag it. Now if you press that pencil again, you see something like square. That thing that look like square means copy. That look like rectangle, it means copy. If you press it, it will duplicate the text that is marked seal. You can see it duplicates this text. If you press that thing again, it will still duplicate it. As much as you press that, it will be duplicating it. Are we together? So if you press that pencil again, you see another T, small t and capital T. It means this text that you have highlighted, you want to change it to capital letter or small letter, as in you want to increase the height of it. See now, you can use your hand to make it bigger, shorter, bigger, shorter, bigger, shorter. Are we together? Thank you so much. Now you press that pencil again. There's a different icon there, so you can decide to use them as you want. Are we together? Different icon, but the most important aspect is that first, from this pencil, the first one, the second one, and third one. So the rest is just like color. That pencil, press the pencil again, count it, number 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. That thing is color. If you want to give color to your text, press it. Once you press it, sorry, there's a mistake here. If you press it, it will show color. You can now use your hand to drag it to put the color that you want. Are we together? To put the color that you, and the funniest thing is that if you look down, there's an highlight. If you don't want to give color to all the text that is highlighted, you can use your hand to highlight the one you want to give color to. Like if it is only thank you and you want to give it red color, can you see? And if it is only you want to give blue color, no, don't let us use, it's yellow color you want to use. You highlight the U and press yellow. Thank you so much. Are we together? Yeah. So the next one we have done with now if you want to delete a text, like you want to delete something from all these things you have typed, you want to remove them, click on what you want to delete, click on it. You see a delete up here. You can see delete. You press delete and confirm it. Anything you want to delete, you press it, you delete. Anything you want to delete, you press it, you delete it. Anything you don't want, you press it, you delete it. Anything you want, you can click it and drag it to where you want it to be. Now we are done with almost many things here. Now the next one, this plus sign, it doesn't need, and this thing that look like net, it doesn't matter. is just for it to, if you want to do a kind of eye line, like you want it to be, all of your tests, you want them to be in a line. It's just like a ruler, so it doesn't matter. So the last one up here is this thing that look like a plate. This thing that look like a plate. You can see this thing I'm pressing. You can see this thing I'm pressing here. If you press it, the reason why it's there is for you to key your test. If you press it, there's a 4 icon here. The first one is a padlock. This second one is like a pencil. The third one is like eyes. The fourth one is like delete. Now, the first one that look like key, if you press it, you see that I've pressed it. Now you press that thing back. This thing up here, you press it back, so that thing will remove. The reason why you press the key is that so that this your test, thank you so much, will not be moving. No matter how you press it, it cannot be moved. But if you want to move it, you have to go back to this place that I'm pressing here. You press it and press on the key and press this place back, it will go. So you can easily move your test. If you don't want it to move again, you go back and press on the key. And if you want to delete this test that you have, this thank you so much, if you press on delete, it will delete. Are we together? Now, am I communicating? Yes, we are done with the up one here. So we are done with the up. This next phase is the down one here. All this thing that is down here, we will explain them. And all this thing that is down here, all this thing I'm pressing, we will explain each and every one of them. They are called quick access toolbar. Until you know what they do, you can't really use them. So I will explain them very soon. Are we together?